we're in downtown Summerlin. We're gonna check these places out, and then we're gonna eat some California pizza. Those trees are beautiful.
I love the leaves on these trees.
They got Victoria's Secret. There's a lot in this place.
Yeah, where we parked, I think they have there to do sunglasses or eyeglasses there. Okay.
Have Lululemon here.
Check out this stuff. Actually, let's go to this one here.
Oh, this shirt is so cool. Oh, I like the hangers. Look at this one here. This, look how thick it is.
That is thick.
Oh, that's so cool. This one. Look how nice
so
this is.
That is really nice.
This is a really nice store though. I'm gonna try this. This just looks so nice. Oh, beautiful material. It's something for like working out, so I'm excited to try it. So let's try that. I love jackets. There's a whole Raider store here. There's Crate and Barrel over there.
Let's check.
Yeah, it does.
So I feel like
Look how pretty this area is.
it's chill. It's a little
I
stuff.
know. Oh my god, I want this. I want that. That's $80 for that pumpkin. How? Does it come with gold? I mean, it's nice, but it's a really beautiful table. But that's kind of like the color I like.
Placements.
This is our first time in this shop, and everything looks so beautiful. These are really nice. Ooh. Look at this.
Oh, that's
Ooh,
a nice bowl.
like acai. I say acai and you're like guac.
That
Look
one
at the
right there for guac
plates.
and cheese.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
That's nice. But wouldn't that, what is that? It's a plate?
It's a plate.
But wouldn't the knife like ruin
I mean,
it?
I think it could be like a technical thing.
Could
Does this
be.
rotate?
Does it?
I think it does. It's like one of those, is it?
Yeah, it's a rotation. You guys, I swear this looks so pretty, but it gives me anxiety because I swear, look at that. Like, what if one falls? Oh my god. Oh, this is really pretty though. Look at that. Skinny. Ah, just touching it makes me feel like, look, just touch one. Just touch one.
I thought I could snap it.
This is cute though, look.
Oh, that is. Oh, that's good.
That,
Like a little.
yeah. But see, I've seen at Walmart
That's
the ones I like. Oh, we need coasters though, for sure. Look how pretty these are. Wow. Oh, I get so like anxiety just touching them. Yeah.
A set of 4.
Yeah. Ooh. Wait, hold this one. Whoa. This is heavy.
It is.
It's nice, just heavy. Love this kind of color. Wow. Look at this one.
Charcuterie boards.
That's like a nice gift.
This is a nice gift. Even this one here.
It's really pretty. Ooh. Look, I'm sorry, I need a big,
Popcorn?
yeah.
That's a little bougie.
Look at the eggs. Wow, these are nice chopsticks. I just wish I knew how to use them.
Look at this.
Oh, clearance aisle.
These look like witches' pots.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Those houses are nice.
Keep an eye on the kitchen side.
That smells good. Look at this plate. That's a nice plate. That really smelled good. Oh my god, this place is heaven. Holy crap. Oh my god, these are so cute. It really is. It's beautiful though. Yes.
I always like
Dude. This is so good. You guys, my favorite is the bread. We're so hungry. I love this. I'm eating so much. Yeah, look at the skull.
It's pretty cool.
It's huge. See? Look how cute they are. Look at this color.
Holy hell.
This is what you need though, because Vegas gets hella cold. I like this color. This is nice though.
I like this better. I hate the two-story ones. This is so weird.
I kind of like it though, the two-story. Yeah. Look at this one.
Viral tumblers.
Why are they so popular?
Oh no, dark cups.
Yeah.
There's something in there.
This is cool. I like that cup right there. Oh, this one's really cool. I'd get the blue ones. You guys, the material's so nice on these. Yeah, it really is. It's not bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one here. Oh my god, I had so many of them growing up. I even had like the big ones like that. Wait, is that a extinguisher?
Suspicious. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so cute. I had
Aren't these like the coolest like things that you like little gift
yeah,
ideas?
like little gift ideas. These are so cute. They're $3. This is a photo album. That is pretty cool. That's Champs. So let's go at the end. They have like a couple of restaurants here. This place is really nice, and then Macy's ahead.
You don't remember seeing Nike when you came over here?
Well, we only stopped here.
Oh. How did I not see that when we came over?
Yeah.
It's not really like a big. I expected them to have like a big little sign. It's kind of subtle.
It is. To wrap, Summerlin was amazing. We're gonna go home now and just chill, relax. I have to edit that video of the Elysian property, which I thought was amazing. So let's go home. Oh, and it's free parking here, so it's pretty cool. All right, guys, we're here. We are going to clean this apartment. This will be the very last time that we are here, you guys. Oh man, what bittersweet. So we're just going to clean. And then I'll show you where I lived for the last 2 years. I'll show you the apartment and stuff. Like the outside, because the outside's pretty cool. So, but let's get to cleaning. We're almost done cleaning this place up, guys. Thing is, the place was clean, except just the way that this apartment is set up, you collect so much dust very quickly. And so we had to scrub the shit out of a lot of things. Excuse my language. But we're almost done, you guys, with this chapter. Alright guys, so this is the end of an era on this place in the art district. We are ready to start our next chapter. The light is pretty bad, so I'm gonna go here. But we are done cleaning this place up and we're ready to go home. So thank you, art district, for giving us the best 2 years. It was so much fun, so many memories.
A lot of good food, a lot of good drinks.
A lot of First Fridays.
A lot of First Fridays. A lot of construction.
Yeah, a lot of major construction. But it's been good.
We met the mayor of Las Vegas here.
Yeah,
so
that was pretty cool. That was a lot of fun.
We saw a lot of restaurants open up. So, a lot of good stuff.
It's been real. Peace.
Oopsies.
Alright guys, so there's the building on the other side. That is where we lived for 2 years. Wow, we are so done. True. That's where the Strat was, and then that's where we live. Alright guys, so I'm here at Target. I'm getting 3 things. I'm getting a hamper, then I'm getting some hangers, and that is it. And then we go home and chill for the rest of the day. Windy, and it's a beautiful day, so let's go. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, salt. That smells good. Ooh. Oh my god, so pretty. Ooh, those are nice. Alright guys, so I got this one because it has like a flat behind, so it's not bad. These are super cute. Oh, they're hella soft. That's nice. I like this. Those are so cute. Ooh, that looks even nicer. Alright, I got what I wanted. Let's go. Alright guys, so I am done with Target. Now let's go home and put the hamper where it belongs, in the bathroom. God, I swear, going to Target is so tempting to get like so many cool things because they have the cutest like Christmas decorations that I cannot wait. I think I'm gonna start getting them like next month. Can you believe that next month is November? Like, how crazy. Hey, little girl, stay away from the road. Oh my god, she's chasing birds and like she's not even looking, she's just chasing the birds. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! You guys, my chairs finally came in. I'm so excited. They go with this table right here. Now, let's get them unpacked. you guys, I got my table all set now. So I got this set at Wayfair. And look how cute it looks. Ah, I love it.